Executium Day Trading Hints and Tips Part 2. Welcome to Part 2 of an Executium Hints and Tips series. Learn the shortcuts in making Executium easier to use and how to use our trading system more efficiently. Today, learn 9 hints and tips to maximize your profits when day trading with Executium. Number 1. After making an order, set the take profit percentage to a negative number. This can function as a stop loss for positions that have moved too far from your opening position. 2. Set a maximum drive time so that the profit from your order does not exceed the cost of the drive time. A market order will be made once the maximum drive time is reached. 3. Click on a position under the label column to rename it to keep track of profitable orders you want to keep better track of. 4. Modify the price retargeting range of the MMX order by clicking on a position under the progress column. 5. Use the calculation tools to get a forecast of potential risk and reward before opening a position. 6. Check the filled column in the Deferred tab. Ensure that you have a sufficient number of the corresponding pair so that your deferred position can reopen. 7. Set deferred positions to automatically restore within 1% of the take profit. This can help conserve drive time, and you won't have to constantly check the position. 8. Set an offset closing to account for transaction fees. Check your exchange and input fee percentage for a more accurate P&L. 9. In the Closed Order tab under the Type column, click on the Limit. This will give a visual display of your position details. Using these hints and tips, you'll become an expert Executium day trader in no time. Start trading today, only at Executium.com.